just got to tap the...
Oh, okay. Yeah.
See, it wasn't very clear, was it?
Oh, nice.
It'd be terrible filming. I should have already set up the tripod.
Let's have a look in the mirror over there. Feels good.
It looks alright on you.
Yeah.
I got the biggest size, of course.
Yeah, no, that's excellent. Yeah, very happy with how it feels. And
I've got t-shirts since I've been with them 5 years still in the cupboard that I wear.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, it's got a special little compartment here, like a phone pocket or something.
Oh, right, yeah. I haven't even looked at mine yet. Yeah. Okay, so we probably could record that. Hell, I don't know.